Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Martha, and today we are going to be reviewing the Plavogue One Step Hair Dry. This is it. This is what it looks like. It is. Let me take it out of the box and set that down there. This is what it looks like. It is kind of flat. It has all these different bristles onto it. It's got these, I guess, for like detangling. And it's got these little, I always call them granny brushes, but the little board brushes that smooth your hair. But we're going to jump into it and see how it works. Okay, it's not that loud. But I'm just gonna section my hair off first. I don't have a whole lot of hair anyway, but it makes it easier when you section it. And I lost all my clips, so we're going old school bobby pin. Not a pretty look, but it's up there. And here we go.
So I switch my girls around like 3L Dub. I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it.
Okay, I say so far so good. That is so easy to use. And my hair is so soft. It feels like it does when you have your hair blown out at the salon. Let's take us a little bit more down. Can you see the volume that it is putting in my hair? And I wish y'all could feel how silky it feels. If you love getting your hair a blowout at the salon, you're going to love this. You are going to love this. I love this. I can't believe how easy it is to use. I love having my hair blown out like that, but I can't do it myself because I'm not coordinated enough to use a brush and a hairdryer at the same time. So this is definitely a winner. And just like that, we are done. I cannot believe how fast that dried my hair and how smooth and silky it feels. And the volume is giving me, I'm just admiring myself right now. Let me see. Let's see what all it says about it. Probably should have got my glasses, but okay, it says this part, sorry, I didn't mean to say that. This part right here stays cool, so you can have control when you're moving the brush. These are tangle-free bristles. And these are the airflow vents into it. It's very easy to hold. It's not heavy at all. A regular hair dryer is heavier. But it's supposed to give you a volumizer. It's designed to deliver gorgeous volume, brilliant shine in just one step. And it is true. It says the unique shape features gently curved sides for smoothing the hair, while the round edges create volume at the roots and beautifully curled ends, resulting in gorgeous styles in less time. This is definitely worth the buy. Especially if you like how your hair looks when you go to the salon and they blow dry your hair. You will love this. It is so easy to use. Especially if you're like me and you're not coordinated enough to use a hair dryer and a brush at the same time. You definitely will like this. Like I said, my hair is short. When I ordered it, my hair was long, but I cut it off. So I was kind of worried, well, am I going to be able to use it? And yes, you can. You can. It gives you tons of volume. Look at that. I love it. And I think people with longer hair will like it too, because it would make it so much easier to blow dry your hair and get volume into it. I mean, you can basically style it and dry it all in one step. So, I definitely give the Plavogue one-step hair dryer a thumbs up. I will leave links. If this is on YouTube, the links will be, where will the links be? The links will be down below. And on Facebook, they're going to be up here. But I will leave a link to this with prices, because I forgot how much that it was. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and share it with somebody you think might like it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.